Good morning, dear students. I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 19 and page number 95, The Little Mouse. So in this lesson we are going to learn a very good story. Okay, let's go to the lesson now. So here, on the banks of the river Ganga lived a great sage. So here this is the banks of the river. So nearby the river the sage is living. Okay, so sage means who is doing deep prayer. Who is doing deep prayer, that person we called as a sage. And one day when the sage is doing meditation, one day when the sage was meditating means he is doing prayer. Okay, so he controlled his mind and heart one. Okay, so he is doing meditation. A little mouse fell into his lap. So while he is doing meditation, a little mouse fell in his lap. Okay, so see here in your picture, we can see the mouse, it is fell in his lap. Okay, and a kite had dropped it from above. A kite also had dropped it from above. Okay, so next, at first the sage felt irritated. So after the mouse fell in his lap, the sage he felt irritating. Okay, he doesn't like because a mouse fell in his lap. He did not like that. He was feeling irritating. Okay, to see that mouse. So, but soon he felt pity on the helpless little mouse. So after that he realized the mouse cannot do anything else. What it can do? It is helpless. So soon he calmed down himself. Okay, the sage turned it into a lovely girl child. So after that he turned into his lovely girl child. Okay, he called his wife. So after turning to his daughter, he called his wife. You always wanted a daughter. So that means the sage and his wife, they were living separately, but the daughter she is living with sage. So after that incident, the sage called his wife to take back to his daughter, because she wants always her daughter with her. So the sage called his wife and sent his daughter with his wife. After that the wife was enjoyed, because she got back her daughter. She was enjoyed and she took the little girl into the house. She took that little girl to her house. The sage's wife looked after the girl with care and love. So after take back to her child to her house, she looked care with love to the daughter. And the girl grew to be a pretty young woman. So now the little girl, she became a young woman, pretty, she was beautiful like an angel. Okay, so after that the sage and his wife started searching for a suitable match for the young woman. So now the sage and his wife, they thought that this is the time to marry her. So they were searching a suitable, beautiful young woman for their daughter. The sage decided that the most powerful man in the world would marry her. So now the sage decided himself the most powerful man could marry his daughter. The search for the majesties led him to the sun god. So now the sage he decided to marry sun god to his daughter. So he went to meet the sun god. Said the My daughter wants to marry the most powerful man, said the sage. So after reach the sun god, the sage told to the sun god, my daughter wants to marry the most powerful man in the world. The sage told to the sun god. Let's see what is reply of sun god. The sun god spoke. So after hear that, the sun god spoke to the sage, that is, I am not the majesties, so I am not the powerful man, I am not the strong. The cloud is able to cover me because the cloud is able to cover me. So I am not the powerful man, I am not the strongest man, because the cloud is able to cover me, then I am not visible. So that time my power is less. So the cloud is stronger than me. So the sun god give reply to that and suggested that I am not a stronger than, I am not a stronger man in the world. The cloud is stronger more than me. So now the sage went to meet the cloud. See, now the sage went to meet the cloud. Soon the cloud was summoned. So after reach the sage, after sun god spoke, the cloud is appear in the sky, and the sage repeated his request, and the sage repeated the same words to the cloud, that is, my daughter wants to marry most powerful man in the world. The cloud said, so for that the cloud said to the sage, I am not the majesties, so I am not the powerful, I am not the strong man in the world. The wind can carry me along, so the wind can carry me along, so I am not the strongest man, I am not the powerful man, because if wind comes, the wind can carry along with that. Next was the turn of the wind. So next target to the sage, it is the wind. So now the sage went to meet the wind, and he approached the same request to the wind. To the sage's request he said, so for that sage's request, the wind replied that, pardon me. I am not the, pardon me, your holiness. So please forgive me for your holiness. I am not the majesties, I am not the strongest man in the world. I am easily stopped by the mountains. So the mountain can stop me very easily. If I go in between, the mountains can stop me very easily. So I am not the strongest. So the next turn to the sage turned to the mountain, and to the mountain also he gave a same request. He approached to the mountain only to hear the reply. So when he turned to the mountain gave reply to the sage, that is, I am not the majesties, I am not the strong person, I am not the powerful. I am made weak by the holes. So I can weak by the holes made by mouse on my base. So I can get weak from the mouse, because the mouse can make holes to me. So I am not the strongest man in the world. So now this next target for the sage, next option is the mouse. So now the sage thought that the mouse is the most powerful and strongest man in the world. So the sage went sad to home. He was very sad and he went to his home. Then came the mouse to the ashram. So then the sage also came to house, and one mouse also came to house. He liked the sage's daughter. So there the mouse looked at the sage's daughter, and he likes sage's daughter very much. He was ready to marry her. So now the mouse was ready to marry the sage's daughter, but one condition. So the mouse gave one condition to the sage, that is, I will marry only a she mouse. So with the condition, the mouse was telling, I will marry only mouse, she mouse, that means female mouse the mouse can marry, but sage daughter, she is a woman being, so she is the human being, so mouse cannot marry. So after soon the sage stood up. So now the sage stood up means he got up and he made one circle with his finger, and he made a circle in the hair which is with his finger. The next moment, after made the circle, the next moment one beautiful she mouse appeared in front of them, and in her place there was a she mouse. Both of them went into the jungle and lived there happily. So now the sage made his daughter as a she mouse to make the circle, and one beautiful she mouse disappeared. That is a sage daughter. He changed his daughter as a she mouse. Now the both mouse are get married and they went to jungle, and there they lived happily. But in the beginning of the lesson, the sage felt irritated to look at the mouse, but now he decided that the mouse is the strongest and powerful man in the world. So the sage decided that to marry her daughter with mouse. Yes, my dear children, by seeing we cannot decide, okay, it is helpless. See, the sage thought that look at the mouse, it is small mouse, it is very small, it cannot do anything else, it is helpless. But at last he come to know it is a very strong and powerful person in the world, because the mouse, if he eat things, it can make hold the big mountain. So that's why the sage decided that it is ready to marry with his daughter. Thank you and have a nice day.